When you search for the best Xbox controller with paddles, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Xbox Wireless Gaming Controller Shock Blue. The Xbox Wireless Gaming Controller in Shock Blue caught my eye right away, not just for its vibrant color, but for its ergonomic design that promises comfort for those long gaming sessions. Priced at $57.99, it's positioned as an affordable option without compromising on quality. If you're looking for a controller that combines aesthetics and function, this is worth a serious look. With its hybrid D-pad and textured grips, it enhances your accuracy and handling, which is essential for fast-paced games. It features a built-in audio jack for easy chat during games and a dedicated share button, allowing you to capture and share your best moments effortlessly. Plus, with Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, you can switch between devices with ease, making it versatile for console, PC, and mobile gaming. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from over 1,200 reviews, many gamers are clearly satisfied. However, some users complained about the battery life not being as long-lasting as expected. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who plays regularly and keeps it charged, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It's still an incredible controller that delivers on comfort and performance. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a stylish design and need a reliable controller without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want more advanced features like customizable paddles or macros, but for most gamers, it's a great value. Now, if the battery life concerns you, the next controller might take a completely different approach to connectivity and customization. Product number 2, GameSir G7 Pro Wired Controller. The GameSir G7 Pro caught my attention with its sleek design and advanced features like Hall effect analog triggers. At $79.99, it's a bit pricier, but if you're serious about competitive gaming, this one deserves your attention. This controller shines with its tri-mode connectivity, allowing you to switch seamlessly between wired and wireless connections. The TMR sticks provide a smooth gaming experience, ensuring you won't face any stick drift, which can be a huge problem in competitive play. Plus, the 1000 Hz polling rate on PC means your inputs are registered almost instantly, giving you the edge in fast-paced games. It's also compatible with the GameSir Nexus app for deeper customization. You can tweak settings to fit your unique playstyle, which is pretty cool. But I've got to mention that some users found the initial setup a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get through that, the performance is worth the effort. It's designed for gamers who want precision and reliability. This is perfect for you if you're into competitive gaming and need a controller that adapts to your needs. Skip this if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play option without the bells and whistles, but for those who value customization, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a unique design and performance. Product number 3, BSUZUN Metal Replacement Thumbsticks. The BSUZUN Metal Replacement Thumbsticks are a game changer for those with an Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. At just $19.99, it's an affordable way to enhance your control experience without having to buy a whole new controller. Plus, they come with a variety of options tailored to your gameplay style. The magnetic attachment makes swapping parts easy, which means you can customize your controller in seconds. The stainless steel construction promises durability, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear affecting your gameplay. This is particularly important for gamers who play regularly and need reliable equipment. However, some users mentioned they had trouble with the paddles falling off during intense gameplay. Here's my take: as long as you're mindful of how you're using them, they should hold up just fine. It's a small trade-off for the flexibility they offer. This is perfect for you if you own an Xbox Elite Series 2 and want to tweak your setup without spending a fortune. Skip this if you're not comfortable with DIY modifications, but for the right gamer, it's a fantastic way to enhance your experience. Now, if customization isn't your thing, the next product is all about delivering a premium experience without the hassle. Product number 4, Gameser G7 Pro Wireless Gaming Controller Zenless Zone Zero Edition. The Gameser G7 Pro Wireless Gaming Controller in the Zenless Zone Zero Edition is something you don't see every day. At $129.99, it's a premium controller that caught my eye mainly for its unique design and advanced technology. This controller features Hall effect analog triggers, which provide smoother control and quicker response times. The no-stick drift technology means you can enjoy uninterrupted gameplay, and with a 1000 Hz polling rate on PC, your commands are executed instantly. It's officially licensed for Xbox, ensuring compatibility across Xbox One and Series XS, which is a huge plus. If you're a fan of the Zenless Zone Zero game, this design makes it even more appealing. That said, some players found it a bit bulky for extended use. Here's the thing, if you're used to lighter controllers, it might take a little time to adjust. But for those who want advanced features and don't mind the weight, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a controller that offers both style and substance, especially if you're into unique designs. Skip this if you prefer something lightweight and minimalist, but for the serious gamer, it's a standout option. Finally, if you're all about simplicity and just need a solid paddle option, the next product has what you need. Product number 5, SCUF Elite Series 2 Paddles. The SCUF Elite Series 2 paddles are an essential addition for anyone looking to enhance their Xbox Elite Series 1 or 2 controller. Priced at $19.99, these paddles are surprisingly affordable for what they bring to the table. These paddles are designed for optimal ergonomic performance, making it easier to reach the back of your controller without straining your fingers. They are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring they can withstand intense gameplay. For gamers who want to improve their speed and agility in games, these paddles can significantly shorten response times, which is essential in competitive settings. However, some users mention they must remove the paddles to charge the controller, which can be inconvenient. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to improving your gameplay, the benefits of having these paddles far outweigh that minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you're already invested in the Xbox Elite ecosystem and want to up your game. Skip these if you're not keen on making modifications, but for serious gamers, they offer tremendous value. So there you have it, 5 solid options that cater to different gaming needs and budgets. To wrap it up, we've explored some fantastic options today. The stylish Xbox wireless controller for everyday gamers, the Gameser G7 Pro for competitive play, the customizable BSUZUN thumbsticks for those looking to tweak their gear, the premium Gameser G7 Pro in a unique design, and the SCUF paddles for serious Xbox Elite users. No matter your style or budget, there's a controller here for you.